spirit of developing new approaches to get tailor-made solutions really convinced us to work together with Kantox. My name is Giacomo Tovena. I'm working at Siegfried AG in Zofingen in Switzerland. My role is head of Global Treasury. Siegfried stands for a pharmaceutical company in the CDMO business. We are on 3 countries with 13 operating sites. Our main currencies are US dollar, euros, Swiss francs, to some extent like Japanese yen and others, but not that much. The biggest challenges were indeed that we had big positions on our balance sheet in terms of intercompany loans. This comes out of the investments in our sites abroad in US dollar and euros. And of course, a big number of invoices, received invoices, which are posted in each site, spread over the country, which was really challenging to get them in an overview at once. We started with Kantox almost 2 years ago with dynamic hedging to protect our FX risk buried by intercompany loans. We started to ramp up as well a hedging program for AP/AR, meaning all kinds of invoices, receiving, sending of all sites which are highly netted per site, and finally on topco, which means the mother company, and that really helps us to monitor and track all kinds of risks. So it's a real-time hedging for sites, protecting them against FX risks, and nowadays the same thing happening like the dynamic hedging with intercompany loans allows you on AP/AR to get those risks on a totally netted amount in the mother company, like you do for intercompany loans, to catch it up in terms of setting rules, setting a range of percentage, which allows you to save costs in terms of swapping. The workload has been reduced just immensely. It's just great steps forward we have done. It allows the new people to do and to focus on other things. We are really happy what we have achieved in terms of savings, understanding other processes, how you can manage FX risk, and the openness of the people being involved in this kind of project, and they never gave up. It's just a great attitude. It's much appreciated.